I'm Alan with Las Vegas and Beyond, and today we'll be taking a look at the Bellagio Conservatory's fall exhibit. By the way, welcome to the very first episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. Well, finally, the fall season has come to the Las Vegas Strip. And I can't think of a better way than to celebrate this fall season by heading over to the Bellagio Conservatory to take a look at their autumn exhibit, which is an Indian wedding ceremony called a mandap. So let's take a look. So I've already seen this exhibit twice, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. And what I'll do is I'll upload both videos so you can compare for yourself when you think is a good time to head to the conservatory. Each season, the enormously talented horticulturists and designers who make up the Bellagio Conservatory transformed this 14,000 square foot floral playground into a showcase of the distinctive sights and colors of spring, summer, fall, and winter, along with a special display for Chinese New Year. When the seasons turn and the displays rotate, 90% of the trees, flowers, and plants in the conservatory are recycled. One thing I wouldn't do is head to the conservatory at 5:30 in the morning. That's when they do all their maintenance. So there'll be people working there, removing the dead flowers, watering the plants, and actually blocking off certain areas. So it's going to be real difficult to get a picture. Before you decide to go visit the Bellagio Conservatory, make sure you check their website, and I'll put a link down below. They do have what they call dark dates, which is the time when they actually tear down and set up the new exhibits. If you like this video, make sure that you click on the thumbs up. Also, click on the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos in and around the greater Las Vegas area. And don't forget to click the notification bell. That way, when I upload new content, you should get some kind of notification. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.